Want to make your shirt look a little more special? Let's make Chinese button knots. I used this closure for my upcycling project, and today I'll show you how I made the knots and attach them to the shirt. If you want to see how I made the blouse from an old shirt, check out my full YouTube tutorial. I'll link it in my bio. I'm using a 30 cm piece of flat silk cord. First I make one loop, then pass the working end through it to create a second loop. Then I take the long end and weave it through the first loop from bottom to top, through the center from top to bottom, and through the last loop again from bottom to top. This creates one more loop on the left side. I adjust everything a little, and then I take the working end again and weave it through this new loop from bottom to top, and then through the center from top to bottom. And here is our knot. Now I gently pull both ends to tighten it and shape it nicely. And here is our knot. To secure it, I stitch the two ends together by hand. Now let's make the button loop. I cut a 50 cm piece of cord, place the knot button inside, and check how big the loop needs to be. Then I slightly cinch the cord ends to stop them from fraying. I fold each end inward, overlap them slightly, and hand stitch them together. And that's one closure finished. To attach them to the shirt, I hand stitch each button loop in place. I stitch from right side toward the center and repeat the same thing on the other side. And here is the final result from the front and from the inside. I love how this little detail completely changes the look of the shirt. And again, if you want to see how I made the whole blouse from an old shirt, check out my full YouTube tutorial.